escaping from fear in a peaceful environment. One of the reasons why we have a peaceful environment in a community is because one of the reasons is our talos. I would like to say thank you to our talos because growing up here in Balanga, Barangay Villaverden, I already witnessed and experienced how our talos work hard. I can see them every midnight strolling to our barangay just to protect our barangay Villaverden citizens. And that's all. Why don't you do that?
You're ready for your photo. Alright, your photo. Female leaders.
Female leaders. On our task, female are invalidated by their genders because they thought they weren't able to lead the community or to handle our community. But this day, I can say that I'm really grateful to those women out there, to our mothers, to our barangay kapitan, and to our SK chairman, because they are our mother. They are the mother of our barangay. They are the mother of the SKU. And I can say that women today in generation that can lead and they can be strong. And they are more than what they think. That's all. Maaari.
Number 3 didn't hear the question. So what music were you listening to back there? Bluetooth, alright. So it's, alright, this a sample. Alright, I believe you didn't hear the question. So I will read the question to you twice. Here it is. Celebrating the feast of Santo Niño, the child Jesus, Miss Villaverden 2024 aims to embody the values and qualities of Reina de Alegre. As a representative of Villaverden, what qualities do you believe best defines a Reina de Alegre? Again, celebrating the feast of Santo Niño, the child Jesus, Miss Villaverden 2024 aims to embody the values and qualities of Reina de Alegre. As a representative of Villaverden, what qualities do you believe best defines a Reina de Alegre?
Thank you for that question. First, I will tell you what is Reina de Alegre. Reina de Alegre means that the queen of joy. So the qualities to have to inspire people is that you must have the guts to bring joy and positivity to Barangay Villaverden. Because with this, our barangay is known for a place of joy. And I want this to stay as a title. The We Barangay Villaverden is a place of joy. And someone, Reina de Alegre, is someone who will empower and who will influence the people here in Barangay Villaverden. Because I believe that positive plus positive is equals to positive.